Hey, best friends, welcome back. I knew you liked this series. All right, so for today, for the alphabet, we're doing the letter E. Okay, so let's get to it. As always, we are going to see a little bit of a black screen because I don't know how to use anything other but Zoom. One day I'll learn more technology, but I've learned a lot lately, so this is what you get. So, letter E, we have our animals. We have the place and the type of animal they are. We have page 2, and that's it for letter E. Now we're on to our books. We have eggs and earth and elephants and emus. And then here are the crafts that go with the books. Now you'll notice that some say book activities, those go exactly with the book. And then you'll see others that say fruit or vegetables. And excuse me, that is just something that goes along with the book. All right, now we have our food. Lots of yummy foods to try and explore. And then to the best part, the recipes. So we have the earth, some Rice Krispies treats, and some food coloring, and just remember wear gloves, or you're going to be look like earth. But you do what you want. Now we have edible dog, yummy oranges and carrots. Just remember, always wash your fruit and vegetables before you eat them. A little excellent nest. And we have a cute little elephant made out of marshmallows. We have some shapes, and then we have our songs. And I did try, like the crafts, the recipes, and the books, I did try to find songs that match them. I did my best. But you can always find more here or just Google kid songs starting with the letter blah, blah, blah. And then you will find a ton of things. All right, that is it. I hope you enjoyed exploring letter E with me. I hope you come back soon to explore letter F. Woohoo! All right, friends, bye.